Farm Day, May 30th, 2001, starring Land's kindergarten class.
I have one more request. Somebody mind taking pictures with my camera? I was there.
Andy's Farm Day.
And when I say animals on the farm, step to your barn. To your farm.
These kids are really trying hard to understand these directions. There's the Skilliland.
Alex is our farmer. You are frozen.
There's Andy.
It doesn't take you, but you need to go to the other side. Okay?
There they go. They're gonna try to run. He's down. Someone's down. Andy's safe.
Come on, Georgie. Good job, Cassandra. I'm sorry.
We're gonna feed the animals.
Cassandra, yeah. Always say Cassandra. Okay, so together. Here, Katie. Stay right there. Oh my God!
Okay, go for it. There you go.
There you go.
All right, take a step forward. There you go.
There you
Here
go.
goes Mariah. Mariah, I got that on camera. Are you guys gonna miss Mrs. Gilliland? But are you gonna miss her? What about this crowd? These guys, are you guys gonna miss your teacher? Yeah, these are the ones that are answering. You guys gonna miss Mrs. Gilliland? You know what? Hey, what'd you guys like best about kindergarten? What'd you guys like best about kindergarten? Rodney? What'd you like best about kindergarten? You don't know? How about you?
Playing.
Playing.
Before first grade.
Wait, what was that, Trevor?
Learning before first grade.
Very good answer. Hey, Ryan.
We're gonna go to Old McDonald's farm. Are you hungry?
Fun. a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. And a moo there, moo everywhere. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm he had a
And we're still singing Old MacDonald song. Skunk on the farm.
Be you here, be you there, be you here, everywhere be you. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm he had a E-I-E-I-O. With a knee on here and a knee on there. Here he there, everywhere he haw. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a
A fish.
fish. E-I-E-I-O. With a loop here and a loop there. There, loop there, loop everywhere, loop. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and quack, quack there. Here, quack, there, quack, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had
Okay, crows, okay. With a
caw here and a caw there. Here, caw, there, caw, everywhere. Old MacDonald. With a man here and a man there. Here, man, there, man, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Right. The farm animals. Oh, pigs.
There's a pig, don't you, Trace?
I do, it's cute. Oh, they got rabbits. Don't like rabbits.
Is that the pig or is that a kid?
I think that's Eric.
Hey, Eric. Was that you?
Very good.
How about these animals?
Hey, Eric. Is that what you learned this year in kindergarten?
I always do it.
Oh, you always knew it.
Born with that.
Your teacher's off the hook.
They're going to get cut tonight. They're going to get trimmed. They're going to get hair.
Just one.
He's just saying they're getting sheared tonight.
Oh, yeah. The sweaters.
They're pretty low.
One guy has got half a horn on one side. Like brownie.
Stephen, want to hear something?
The boys are snorting pretty big.
Boys will be boys.
Certainly will.
She's digging holes.
No, his name's Wilbur.
Wilbur?
Wilbur. Some pig. Some pig. Some pig.
I'm thinking of your thread.
Hey, Mariah.
Make sure he won't go anywhere.
What's that thing you're looking at?
This is the bunny.
Oh, it's a bunny. Look at the bunny. I think she was a little worried about this one.
If you want. I have a donkey right here. It's right behind me.
That's a donkey. That's what it was.
There's a donkey.
There
right behind me. Feed the donkey.
The downy feathers. Yeah, that's how it's talking, huh? These are the soft feathers. And soon it'll lose its feathers, the baby feathers, the down, and it'll get big feathers. It's gonna molt. They call it molting, right?
Could we put how about animals?
That's pigs. Yeah, the donkey doesn't eat this. Okay, donkey's very happy. That's what the donkey does.
I think he's touching your bunny over here.
Hi, little goat.
I think they're scaring that little one. They are getting ready. Around the cone. Uh-oh. Here comes Steven. Around the cone. There he goes, off into the sunset. There, Jack. I think you're supposed to be riding the horse. What's going on? There they are. There's Bryce. There he goes. You guys want to wave at the camera? Say hello.
You know what I think?
And say hi, Mrs. Gilliland. Hey, Trevor. Hello. Ice cream. You guys gonna say hello, Mrs. Gilliland? Hey, who's sitting there? Is she? Smile for the camera.
Thank you. That looks so cute.
Scraps in the way. Want to say anything? Katie? What would you like to say?
The best teacher in the whole world.
Ah, Mrs. Gilliland, did you hear that?
Mrs. Gilliland is good at any teacher in the world.
All right.
Over here.
Okay.
Hey, over here. I don't know anything.
You don't know anything?
This is TV Pro. Hey, over here. Hey, look it.
For a wonderful year, right?
For a very, very wonderful year.
You guys have anything else you want to say?
Have a wonderful year. Gilliland, the bestest teacher. Eat sunflower seeds. Eat sunflower seeds.
Hey, Mariah, you want to say anything?
And I need popcorn.
You want to say thank you, Mrs. Gilliland?
Thank you, Mrs. Gilliland. Excuse me. I need popcorn. Thank you, Mrs. Gilliland.
You want to say something?
I want to say something. She's the best teacher since we had her.
Very nice.
Don't go back with my man. That makes sense. I wish there's more Mrs. Gilliland to be nice.
Very good. How's that black cow there, Bryce?
When you're done with
Gotcha.
Me. Give me all tape. Hello.
And there's Carly again.
Hey. Hello.
book that we started. Yeah. So how about we on the floor for a finish? We're going to count to 60. By 60, if you want to listen to it, then you have to be done with your snacks and join the story. Ready? Oh, let's make your hand. Very quiet at the end of the day and did well at the table things did. The rest of the day went well.
Why did you watch me when he was singing? He watched me play.
Stand up. Hey, Jackie. Okay, there's Carrie. We're going to see it right.
Farm day is over.